cookie decorating tutorial. This is my first video, so I appreciate you guys supporting me, and we're gonna have a lot of fun decorating these cookies. We've taken out the hassle of messing up your kitchen, taking that scary trip to the grocery store, and the cleanup. Ugh. So this will be fun and easy, and hopefully you guys will have a good time. I'd love to see pictures of your cookies when you're all done, and maybe even halfway eaten, bite the teddy bear's head off. Bobby Jr. and I are gonna teach you how to make these 6 different design cookies, and you can do them however you want. Use your creativity, use your own colors, whatever you want to do. Are you ready to make some cookies?
Yeah!
Yeah! So here's a few tips and tricks I'd like to share with you before you begin making your cookies. What you always want to do first is do an outline around the outside of your cookie before you start piping. It makes it easier if you even do the outline with your marker first. And then what you want to do, don't be afraid to lift up your piping bag. You could do one little line like this, stop, do one little line like this, stop, and then keep going all the way around your cookie. Then once you've done your outline around your cookie, you're gonna, hey, where'd you come from? Then you're gonna want to just fill in with your piping bag and just bring it in, just like you're coloring a picture. And you fill in your cookie. The next tip that I'd like to share with you, Bobby Jr., is you don't ever want to color on your cookie with your marker until the frosting is completely dry, because you're gonna put dents in your cookie. So just wait till your cookie's completely dry. Oh, the suspense is terrible. Nope, you can't do it right now. And you're gonna wanna do it, because I wanna do it. I don't ever wanna wait. But if you don't wait, you will put dents in your cookies, but it's so worth it once it's dry and you've waited, because you can make so many fun things on your cookie, right, Goose? I'll see you later. The other thing I would like to share with you is the cookies that you decide to put your sprinkles on. Now that you don't want to wait for it to dry. Once you're done piping your cookie, you want to sprinkle the sprinkles on so that they stick and they stay and they're there forever until you eat them. And yeah, I think that's just about it.